Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an AI chatbot for beginners in 2024. So whether you are a business owner who's looking to improve the chat's customer service as example, or just someone who is interested in AI, this tutorial will walk you through the steps to build your own chatbot from scratch using some easy to use tools. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. And of course, there are several platforms for creating AI chatbots, such as Dialogflow, BotPress, and even ChatGPT by OpenAI. So for this tutorial example, let's just go and show you. So ChatGPT is known. So let's just show you an example. First of all, dialog like flow, and open a new tab, and I'll just go and open bot press. Of course, you can check them both by your own and simply go through their pricing, go through whatever you want. Of course, ChatGPT, which is the most known, or so just type ChatGPT, of course, and you'll be able to open it. As simple as that. So as you can see, you have the dialog flow. Of course, as you can see, you'll be able to create a state-of-art conversational agent with Google AI. It will be available in two editions: Dialogflow CX Advanced or Dialogflow ES, which is standard. Includes built-in integrations for Gen A and Vertex AI, of course, a builder. As you can see, new customers get $300 in free credits to spend on Dialogflow. So the features that comes with it, basically it supports rich, intuitive customer conversations powered by Google leading AI. One comprehensive development platform for chatbots and voice bots. Join a community over 1.5 million developers built in with Dialogflow. Achieve exceptional CSAT with Dialogflow, part of Contact Center AI solution, and spin up agents with a few click using Vertex AI Agent Builder from the Dialogflow UI. And of course, the benefits: interact naturally and accurately, build quickly, deploy universally, and manage and scale with ease. As simple as that. So, yeah. So here, all we need to do is just go and click on try dialog free or dialog box or dialog flow for free. Of course, you'll have to go through to setup. So first setup is simply account information. Agree and continue through the privacy policy, terms of use, and etc. And you'll have, of course, access to all Google Cloud products, $300 free of credits, and no auto charge after trials end. For example, here you'll have to fill up all those informations, then click on start free as example. Of course, for me, they will not accept it. Why? Because like my card is declined. I just entered like a random card here, and it's got declined. So of course, I'm not going even to do and pay for something. Of course, I know it's free. I'll just have to get like my credit card and enter that, but I don't want to do it. So for you, of course, you'll have to do it if you want to guess that, and you'll be able to start creating your AI chatbots. You don't even have to create it. Basically, it will be ready for you. You'll have just to go and export it wherever you want, like on your website, on whatever it is. So we have this BotPress also. So you'll need to log in into an account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create a new one. First, of course, you can see the pricing. So they have like the pay as you go. $0 per month, start for free every month, as we give you $5 credit to use towards AI spend. So it gets all of that, but as you can see, you'll not get a lot of credits. So if you're using it just for maybe just with your friend or something like that, free one is good to go. But if you're using it for a website example, you'll need to go for this one, which will get you a lot of other things. Which I guess you'll get maybe a limited credit depending on whatever it is. So you can even customize your plan. Maybe as example, I want here some bots, always live. As example, 5 bots should be always live, or I want just one bot and it should be always live. For example, this is $6. Maybe I want, I don't know, some incoming messages and events. As you can see, like 5,000, or I don't want any. So depending on whatever you want, you can customize it. For me, I'll not choose anything. I'll need just the free one. Then click on start for free here. As you can see, you can sign up using Google, Microsoft, or GitHub, or even LinkedIn if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating and basically even log in into your account. I'll choose my account here in Google. As you can see, by continuing Google, you share your name, email address, language preferences, and profile picture with the bot press cloud. And you can see the bot press cloud privacy policy and terms of service. As an example, link, click on continue. So once I do so here, as an example, so who are you building bots for? My company, clients, or myself? As an example, myself, why not? Are you students? Yes. So how did you hear about us? As an example, I don't know, just do other example, why not? Which option best describe your programming server experience? So if you're experienced or the beginning or zero coding experience, do whatever suits you. Maybe I'll just do beginner for me. What type of bot are you building? So it's an AI agent, HR, IT support, customer support, lead generation, other e-commerce. What are you creating this AI chatbot for? Just an example, I'll just do maybe I don't know AI agent or other or whatever it is. Then click on skip. So as you can see here, you can start creating now with this bot press chat or an AI chatbot from scratch. So as you can see, your workspace has no bot, so please start creating. I'll just go here, click on create a new bot. And yeah, so just bot created. You can simply open it in a studio and start doing whatever you want. As you can see, you'll find this here, not deployed yet, of course. As you can see, no errors. This is the symbol of errors, and this is basically the symbol of what I don't know what's actually that. So okay, just some information it seems about the bot or something like that. Yeah, the bot information in general. Yeah, and name if you want to give it a name or something. So as you can see, you can first of all choose one of the templates provided here to start creating. As you can see, you can start from scratch, like from the beginning, an empty bot to start from scratch, or you can use an AI public personality, like an entertained named chatbot, an entertaining chatbot example that uses the AI task failure to impersonate a public personality, or learn bot press. So, example, a template that showcase the main feature of bot press, perfect for new users. That's if you need a refresher. So, whatever suits you. For my example, I'll just start from scratch and click on use templates. As example, why not? Of course, wait, let me just go and show you here. So if I go and click in here and click on ubot, yeah, I just want to show you. So yeah, open the studio. If you choose any other options, of course, so let me just show you here. So if you choose other options, you'll find some preview here on how it's going to look like. As example, because if you choose on scratch, of course, because it's empty, there's no preview available. But if you choose any other thing, of course, you'll see how it's going to look like here in the preview. So as an example here, you can start simply coding or making your bot from scratch, however you want. Of course, if you want to choose from scratch, if you want to choose, as we said, one of the options that they have, and one of the template that they have already, you can simply start with that. For example, maybe a learning bot press or an AI public person like personality, whatever suits you. So just click on whatever you want and you'll be taken here. You can make any edits that you want and you'll be able to publish it whenever you want. Once you finish, click on publish and it could be published as an example after that. So let me just show you once you choose the template, how it's going to look like. And as you can see, once you publish, you can simply now export it to your website, to whatever you want. So wherever you want specifically. So, okay, it's just loading. I'll just wait for it until it load. As example, so as you can see here, it's everything created for you. Of course, you can edit whatever you want. As example, like greetings, menu, capturing info. So you don't have to like do things by your own. It's an AI after all. So basically, you just have to choose, oh, if somebody entered the conversation, what should you do, and etc. That's it. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.